So this is a slightly different, slightly strange one. This is copper sulfate solution. You still always, in aqueous solutions, you always have this equilibrium reaction. You have H2O breaking down, or water breaking down to H plus and OH minus ions. You still have the same thing. This is going to do my nutting. I cannot see it like that. I want to see it like this. All right. Okay. So again, we've got the positive. Well, no, let's not. Let's start with the negative. In this case, we've got copper. All right. Copper isn't as reactive as hydrogen. So you can look at the list of reactivity of metals, and there's hydrogen and carbon on it. Copper is below hydrogen, meaning copper will accept those electrons and form copper the metal. This will occur at the cathode. All right. Now, on the positive side, sulfate ions, you cannot. So this is losing electrons. This is oxidation. You can't oxidize sulfate ions like this. So what you do have, because of the equilibrium, you have OH minus ions. And they're going to form oxygen, water, and give off 4 electrons. The other thing I really don't like about this is I like things to be balanced. You got 4 electrons given off here. They're going to travel all the way around there. They go right, blah, 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 blah. But you've got 2 electrons here. I've got to see this. I have to see it in that way because my electrons aren't balanced. I just don't like it. Do they do it somewhere else? No, they don't. Right. Okay, that explains electrolysis of copper sulfate.